Welcome. Today, I'm excited to share an AI-powered plug-and-play ecosystem that transforms workflows and user experience. This system integrates face recognition, PowerApps, Azure AI, Logic Apps, and cross-cloud capabilities with AWS and Google Cloud. If you faced manual processes, disconnected systems, or inefficiencies, this solution is designed to resolve that and more. Let's highlight the challenges organizations face today, including manual authentication and disconnected systems. These pain points reduce productivity, increase costs, and complicate scaling IT operations. Imagine a system that doesn't just work for you, but adapts to you and operates seamlessly across multiple tools. Here's how the plug-and-play ecosystem tackles these issues, starting with face recognition for effortless authentication. Using Azure Face API, this system identifies users instantly with no passwords, no delays. Attendance is logged automatically, and access is granted based on roles, enhancing security. Azure Virtual Agents provide a conversational interface, offering contextual responses and guiding users. PowerApps enable personalized dashboards, pulling relevant data from Dataverse for tailored experiences. Real-time analytics through Power BI show trends in attendance and workflow performance for informed decisions. Power Automate and Logic Apps automate tasks like notifications, escalations, and data synchronization. Cross-cloud compatibility ensures that systems interact seamlessly, fetching and syncing data in real time. This solution stands out because it saves time, enhances security, improves productivity, and is highly scalable. Manual logins and redundant processes are eliminated, saving over 50 hours per month for every 100 employees. By automating workflows, organizations can reduce costs by 30 to 40% annually and focus on strategic initiatives. Facial recognition reduces unauthorized access risks by 98%, ensuring systems remain secure and user-friendly. Personalized dashboards and instant access improve productivity, with predictive insights boosting team performance by 25 to 30%. Designed for multi-region deployment, this system scales effortlessly with growth and ensures flexibility for global enterprises. How complex is it to implement? It's plug and play with pre-built workflows ready for minimal configuration. This system integrates with Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud and allows you to start small and scale up as needed. Most organizations can deploy core features in just 4 to 6 weeks, significantly faster than traditional IT rollouts.
This isn't just a solution, it's a paradigm shift. It transforms how organizations manage workflows, ensuring smarter decision-making through real-time data. Seamless user experiences that boost employee satisfaction. Future readiness with a scalable, AI-powered foundation. This system can revolutionize operations across industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and more. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to access exclusive workflows, scripts, and implementation guides. For collaboration opportunities, reach out. Thank you for watching. Together, let's redefine what's possible.